In today's video, I'll show you how to share a Jira dashboard with others. Dashboards are a great way to keep your team aligned and updated, so let's dive in. First, log into your Jira homepage and head over to the Your Work section. From here, select the project that contains the dashboard you want to share. Next, open the Dashboard tab. Once you're inside, look at the top right corner for the Share icon. Click it and a sharing menu will pop up. Now, just type in the name, team, or email address of the people you want to share with. You can even add a short message to provide context, like why you're sharing or what action you'd like them to take. Finally, hit Share. Your dashboard is instantly sent to your selected team members, giving them access to the same project insights and updates. And that's it. Sharing dashboards in Jira makes collaboration smooth, transparent, and keeps everyone on the same page.